is the group therapy. Group therapy is also well known because what we do here is we assign a practitioner or a therapist to meet with 6 to 8 people regularly for a purpose. So ano yung purpose ng ating ng therapist? Number one is to discuss with the group to check on their well-being, to increase self-awareness, to improve interpersonal relationships since group ito, okay? And to change the maladaptive behavioral problems. So usually, saan to ginagamit tong group therapy? May mga alcoholism. Okay, common ito sa may mga alcoholism, drug dependence, or yung mga substance abuse. Ano pa? Yung kailangan ng mga support groups, so mga victims ng mga abusive relationships or abusive events in their life. Okay? Group therapies goes through the orientation phase, working phase, and termination phase. Same siya with individual therapy. The difference is that itong group therapy, mas marami kayo. Okay?